Happy New Year team, welcome to this month's property market update for the Tawa to Pukerua Bay area. This month we're going to talk about the upcoming changes to the Residential Tenancies Act. We briefly touched on these last year and there were a number of requests from locals wanting some more detail. We're also going to look at some recent sales from the area and talk about what to expect from the local property market in 2021. The December sales stats are in and there were 116 sales in the area. This is a huge increase on the 81 sales we saw the previous month. On the front line, we did see a lot of urgent selling and frantic buying activity taking place before Christmas. Here at Collective, our team had a huge month with 40 properties sold. The highest sale price was $1.95 million for a lifestyle property in Judgeford. The lowest sale price was $420,000 for a 3-bedroom property in Cannons Creek. To give you an idea on the activity in the market, here are some of our collective sales for the month. 17 Olivia Crescent in Tawa, 2 offers sold just before Christmas Day for nearly $1.15 million. 33 Lyndhurst Road in Tawa, 65 inspections, 13 offers, sold for $1.1 million for a 3-bedroom 1950s home in Tawa. 17 Doncaster Terrace in Ascot Park, 35 inspections, 2 offers, sold well over $800,000. 65 Gloaming Hill in Tawa Bay, 80 inspections, 11 offers, sold for more than $800,000 for a 3-bedroom 1970s home in Tawa Bay. All of these were huge prices achieved by our Tawa to Pukerua Bay team. Now onto a hot topic at the moment for landlords, tenants and future landlords. The upcoming changes to the Residential Tenancies Act. There are a lot of changes. In fact, we recently held a free landlord seminar and it took over an hour to go through them properly. I'll do my best to cover off the main bullet points here for you. First, timeframes for a landlord to terminate a periodic tenancy have changed. Next, the provision allowing landlords to terminate a tenancy without cause by providing 90 days notice will no longer apply. Fixed-term tenancies automatically convert now to a periodic tenancy at the end of the fixed term. Tenants experiencing family violence will be able to withdraw from a tenancy without any financial penalty. Tenants can also make changes to the property and landlords must not decline if the change is minor. Rent can only be increased once every 12 months. And all requests by a tenant to assign the tenancy to another tenant must be considered and landlords must not decline unreasonably. Landlords must provide much more information to tenants, and penalties and enforcement action against landlords have been raised and strengthened significantly. The Tenancy Tribunal's jurisdiction and powers have been broadened. There are obviously a lot of points that sit under each of these broad topics, which do need a lot of explanation. Essentially, being a landlord is no longer something that you just do on the side. It really has become a business and needs to be run efficiently like a business. For those that would like to know the ins and outs of the updates, we have our next landlord information evening at 6 p.m. on Thursday, 25th of February at the Collective Community Hub, 33 Johnsonville Road in Johnsonville. This is a free event and will give landlords a full breakdown on the changes and show how they can make sure that they comply to avoid fines and penalties. You can register to secure your seat at the link below. Now to some market predictions for this year. The 2021 market has already come back just as hot as the end of 2020. Interest rates are low and set to go lower. The number of listings on the market is at rock bottom and there are a huge number of buyers and investors shopping for property. Unless these factors change and change dramatically, 2021 is set to blow records achieved in 2020 out of the water and be another huge year for property prices. For those trying to buy, persevere. There will be more property coming to the market in February and March, and this will give you a good shot to get into the market. That's our market update for January. On behalf of our collective team, I'll see you again next month.